We had some children come over a few years ago that anytime there was a loud noise, this poor little kindergarten boy would just hit the floor and he would cry. And we had to go get his third grade brother to come down, and his third grade brother came and put his body over this little boy to help calm him down, because where he came from, there were bombs. And so we have to think about things that could be very upsetting. Loud noises, for instance. Somebody using a whistle. Somebody having a louder voice. Somebody who's hard of hearing that's got a louder voice. Sometimes that can scare children. So it's a reminder every now and then that we just need to check ourselves and think, if this is happening, what are some things that we can control that could be helpful? And really understanding post-traumatic stress disorder. Things that we might take for granted or might not notice could be very, very upsetting to a child. And again, keeps them in that part of their brain where it's that fight or flight. If you seemed anxious, you're a newcomer, you seem anxious, you seem a little worried, I want to sit back and I want to think, what environmentally, maybe in my classroom, could be going on that could be upsetting you?